There it is. Hey, the good news is that this unit right here is facing south, so you're going to get all that downtown stuff. Now, the views do play a big part. Let's knock on the door. Sherry, how you doing?
I'm so excited to meet you. Finally.
I know, finally.
Finally. Welcome to 1512.
All right, 1512. So, we today are at the Ogden high-rise, and she has a beautiful suite that we're going to be taking a look at, right?
Yes.
You want to walk us through and kind of show us what's going on?
Sure.
Okay.
Let me start with this room. So
I didn't even know this was even a room.
This is a bonus fourth room.
Okay.
It has a sliding glass door for privacy. There is views out there, but
Okay.
we've kept it kind of private. It's opaque. I see this room as a fitness room, as a meditation Zen room. Been a hard year for a lot of people.
Got you.
I also see it as a library or a study.
Gotcha.
You know?
Let me ask you this. What do you know about the building? How many units do we have, and when was it actually developed?
So it was built in 2007.
Okay.
There are 275 units.
Okay.
And it is completely sold out.
Completely sold out.
Completely sold out. So the only units that are offered now are for resale. And that's like 7% of the units at any time.
Gotcha.
This is the largest unit that they offer.
So this would it be the master?
No, this
okay.
is.
You're
this
just
is
talking
a-
about the unit.
This
alone.
is another guest bedroom.
Oh wow.
And what I love about this particular room is if you were sleeping in this bed,
Yeah.
when you wake up in Vegas.
Oh, you got to see this view. Check out
You've
this view,
got
guys.
to see this view.
I mean, there's a lot of things taking place in downtown Fremont, right?
Oh yeah. And you get the vibrancy and the energy of this whole downtown vibe and the lifestyle. It's very walkable.
Okay. What do we got down here? Let's go down here.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Let's see the main living area.
Yes.
Oh my God, this is dope. Look at this.
This is amazing. So imagine this. You're hosting a party. You have
Yeah.
this. You have your own island, right?
Okay.
You've got a big spread of food. You can, when you go and prepare cocktails or drinks, you're looking out into this view, and at night it's just spectacular as it is during the day. So you can see the mountains, stratosphere.
This is
all
crazy.
of the city.
You're washing your dishes and you can literally
Yes.
see downtown. Isn't this crazy?
It is unbelievable. And you feel the energy of the city, and yet it's so quiet in here. You can't hear it unless you go outside.
You know what I noticed about high rises? Certain high rises has a different type of lifestyle, different type of group that lives in high rise. What would you say the people that live here? What is the atmosphere like over there?
So I know for a fact we have lots of attorneys, doctors, people who live a bi-coastal lifestyle, fitness instructors, and they are the type of people who live here. They might have this as a home away from home.
Yeah.
Or if they work downtown, then they live where they work.
Gotcha. And I think Tony Shea used to live here, right? Does he still live
Tony
here?
Shea used to live here. He doesn't live here anymore. He moved to some Airstreams, and then now I think he's up in Utah.
Gotcha. And what was the square footage again of this unit?
So this is over 2,000 square feet.
Okay.
2,044. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath.
Okay. 4 bedrooms?
4 bedrooms.
You don't get that on a high rise at all.
Never.
Especially at this price.
Never. And they're very rarely offered.
Yeah.
When they're this large.
And what are the HOAs a month over here?
So the HOA is $880 a month. It includes 24/7 security.
Okay.
You get the concierge. You get the pool and spa on the roof. You get a terrace up there. There's of course a fitness center here. There's a pet park. You can take your dog out for a little run.
Now with this unit, how many parking stalls come with it?
So you get 2. And if you have an electric vehicle, there is electric vehicle charging on the premise.
I want to come out here and let's take a look at this.
Yes, this is amazing.
So at night, everything is going on, it's popping, so this is the place where you want to hang out.
It's unbelievable. The energy, the vibrancy. It's just a sophisticated way to live.
Is it pretty noisy? when things are going off at nighttime? Can you
If you're out
actually
on
hear
the balcony, but if you close the balcony door, you can't hear anything.
Oh, that's
Even
perfect.
when Life is Beautiful is going on downstairs, you can't hear anything.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it is really nice.
You got some beautiful hardwood floors.
Yes.
And look at your living room. This is a really decent size, and I love the fact that you got these windows from floor to ceilings.
Yes.
And you bring in a lot of light.
It is.
It's 180 degrees basically of view, so I do like that.
Yeah, and you feel like you could almost walk off into the mountain. I mean, it really feels like it's connected to the outdoors. If you go back that way, you could see the mountains of Centennial Hills.
That's why it's like one of the most important things when you buy a high-rise, you got to remember this. What you're really paying for is the view, and that's where you're going to get your bang for your buck.
Absolutely.
And look at this, you got a 72-inch fireplace.
Yes.
Does this actually spit off heat, or is this just for
It
looks?
does.
Okay,
Not
cool.
right now, but at night you can definitely, this can be your little cozy den. This was all put in custom.
Yes.
So a custom fireplace. This does not come with every unit.
Okay.
He put that in. Also, the cabinets are modern finish.
Yeah. So you got the full thermofoil cabinets. These are the European style cabinets. You got the quartz countertop. These are actually Pkwy. These are 2 inches with the waterfall. Full custom Samsung products, which is really nice. Stainless steel. Whoever put this together had great taste.
I know, it's beautiful. It's for someone who's sophisticated, modern, and enjoys the finer things in life. This is the master with its own private balcony.
Oh, look at this. You got your own balcony. Nice.
Your own balcony. If you want, we can go out.
Yeah, let's go out this way.
Take a look.
No, it is. Look at this view. Isn't this gorgeous?
This is gorgeous.
All right. Go inside.
Come on in.
Look at that. That's steep, isn't it? So it looks like for the master, he did some beautiful wallpaper, and that's not cheap wallpaper. And also he did the ceilings too as well.
Right.
Which is really nice. So the master bath here, we have some floating vanities with the Pkwy, stand-up shower. We're not gonna really shoot this because as far as like privacy. So we got 2 sinks, which is really nice.
Yes, the double sinks.
All right. I want to go back out to the best part is this right here. I mean, take a look at this, guys. This is just, I love this right here. This is like the selling feature of this whole home right here.
It sure is. The views are what I call multi-million-dollar views. You cannot, this is why you stay in a 5-star resort. This is why you go dine at the top of the stratosphere, because you're looking for those views. You can have them every day. You wake up to them every single day. So this would be the 3rd bedroom. It also has views from all of the windows. I love this also. We had it staged as a work from home space.
Yeah.
Imagine this as your executive office.
Yeah.
How baller.
Yeah, it is. And plus, you have that Jack and Jill, which makes it really nice.
Yes, and then the walkthrough. And then even as you're standing from that other guest room, you can see all the views out this way. As you live here, of course, when you want some privacy, you can pull the shades and, you know, get a good night's sleep. But
you know what's great about this area? You don't really need a car. You can just pretty much live, work here. And a lot of like young entrepreneurs now, they're catching Uber.
Yes.
They want to be in a place where you can just go downstairs, multiple restaurants. And that's what I'm starting to see about this whole development area. Because I remember like when I started buying properties here, and when Tony Shea moved in here, things just really turned around.
They did.
And he has really grown this area, and you can really see the vision of what's going on.
Absolutely.
What are some of the areas or things around here that people are not aware of that you may want to share?
So definitely right downstairs, 1 elevator ride down is the East Fremont Entertainment District. People may not know that there's a piano bar, there's the best bars in the city, the best restaurants in the city. We're talking everything from high-end cuisine to casual, like organic. We're close to the Smith Center. We're close to Blvd. There's just anything that you could possibly need downtown is here. And it's
Perfect.
one elevator ride down. You're right in the heart of it all. I think that this would be a wonderful space for someone who wants to embody that Las Vegas lifestyle. I mean, this is it. This is the ultimate path that you can have in terms of the view, in terms of the space.
I've always wanted to live this lifestyle.
Yes,
but I just
chakits.
got
Me too.
too many cars. I've got too much junk inside my garage. This does not work for me and my family, but I'm still trying to convince my wife. So darling, if you're watching this, maybe we would consider this unit.
Yes, I would love that.
Because I do love the lifestyle, but it is a completely different lifestyle than owning a regular home.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's low maintenance.
Yeah.
You don't have to take care of a yard. You don't have to worry about the exterior. You know, you can fly back and forth from wherever your home base may be. If this is your second home, if this is your residence, you just walk to work or bike to work.
And how much is property taxes on something like this?
I believe it's about $5,000 a year, something like that.
Gotcha.
Not too bad considering the price point, and Nevada's very forgiving for property taxes.
Anything else that you want to mention?
Just that I'm so grateful that you came, and you're every bit as dynamic and amazing as
I don't know
you
about
are
that.
a person.
Yo, I'm feeling good about myself right now.
You should
No,
feel
I'm
good
just
about
kidding.
yourself. And I'm sure that you're inspiring so many of us agents out here. We see your videos and you're just leveling up the game. We love it.
I do appreciate that. That was really nice of you guys. Now, here's the thing. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link in the description below with her contact information and everything that you need about this property. If you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, give me a thumbs up too as well. That definitely helps out the algorithm. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits. Any final words?
Thank you. I'm Sherry Schmitt with Urban Nest. I thank you so much for checking out this beautiful 4-bedroom unit. There is one last thing. If you have a big furry dog, the Ogden is so accommodating to pets. There are no weight restrictions. There are no breed restrictions. You want to bring in your big dogs, they love them. So that is definitely one more selling point and one more thing that you can think about as you consider this unit. Thank you so much.